Hello everyone, a very good day to all of you. I'm Adrita Banik, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study in Shahid Biruddin Lieutenant Anwar Girls College. Today I'll read a page from my EFT book. The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplaces clean. It's important for our good health. Hygiene is thought to be next to godliness. It's because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally, or spiritually if we are unclean in our body, mind, and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either, so we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash our hair regularly. This will keep the body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give off bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It's also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day, after breakfast and supper. We must keep our nails short. Our drinking water must be clean. We can get safe water by boiling or filtering. Finally, we should keep our surroundings and environment clean. If we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. Thank you.